A craft workshop. That might be a fun way to unwind. Emily, get here quick.
Today we're making handmade ornaments, great for bringing a personal touch to your holiday decor.
This is so therapeutic. I'd almost forgotten how much I love crafting.
Yeah, there's a lot you forgot when you moved for your big job in the big city.
You're so right. It's been ages since I saw a movie. I don't think I even know how to anymore.
You can enjoy a movie night with our free streaming services like Canopy and Hoopla. There's thousands of titles to choose from.
What? All of that content? Free with my library card? Movie night it is.
Enjoy!
Look at all these choices. Documentaries, classic movies, kids shows.
How about a heartwarming film for our movie night?
Coming right up.
Today was so amazing. There are so many incredible things that the library has to offer.
It truly does. Who knows what tomorrow may bring?